Senator Adam Schiff asks Bondi if she will investigate Jack Smith or Liz Cheney. NBC. Adam Schiff, D. Caliph, questioned Attorney General nominee Pam Bondi if she would investigate former Special Counsel Jack Smith or former Rep. Liz Cheney during her Senate confirmation hearing. Below are your comments. I want to know who the people are that voted Adam Schiff into office as a senator in California. This is the perfect example of an establishment candidate that resides in a home with his family in Maryland and has a condo in California, somehow qualifying him to be a backdoor. Let's not forget, this man was on CNN and MSNBC every night accusing Trump of Russian collusion for 4 years, saying he personally had the evidence to prove it. To this day, he has presented no evidence of Russian collusion. Keep voting him in California. Trump has been cleared and yet, Schiff has been elevated to senator. It is amazing that he is on this committee asking ridiculous questions once again because the man has no credibility. California voters deserve everything they are getting in that state because they know nothing about the people they elect. Bondi stood up to Schiff. Excellent. California tax rolls need to be cleaned up. What is Schiff doing in any of these proceedings asking questions? Schiff should be less worried about Liz Cheney and more worried about himself. Schiff et al. Live in a universe composed of politicians divided into two parties and live to exploit citizens' taxes to self-aggrandized by the methods they devised, including payoffs from lobbyists for directing ridiculous amounts of citizens' paychecks to their corporations. His questions were limited to this fictional universe in that they were simple-minded attempts to elicit a decision for or against Team Blue or Team Red. They are oblivious to the fact that we are a nation, and we are citizens. Real people trying to live real lives in a real world. Adam Schiff is the worst senator in CA. Wait, they both are horrible senators, and part of the reason CA is unsavable. He needs to be investigated. She gets. Though investigating. What Shifty Schiff was really asking was, "Are you coming after me?" He acts as though he is concerned for Smith. Lock him up. Are you kidding me? Schiff, you are first on the list. And you know it. Cheney, RYO, as vice chairman of then-Speaker Nancy Pelosi's Select Committee on the Jan. 6, 2021, Capitol riot, secretly reached out to a star witness, Cassidy Hutchinson, and proceeded to coach her testimony without her lawyer's knowledge. Now, maybe there's some other reason Cheney was messaging with Hutchinson via the encrypted Signal app before the former Trump. Shifty is being modest. Question you want to ask is, will Trump investigate me? He should. Yup, this whole country has gone to hell in a handbasket, and that looks like the bleached blonde face of it. Schiff had a good case in impeachment actually doing Nadler's job, but he couldn't make it in time to affect an election, so it was useless to him. The Democrats seek to turn America into a third world war zone. Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome. She looks like a $5 streetwalker. Why is all MAGA hags dressed like working girls? Well, duh. Of course she will if ELONALD tells her to. No matter what lies she tells those in the confirmation hearing. Yeah, all Trump's picks will lie to get confirmed. Bondi will do whatever Trump tells her to do. 2 of hundreds. Barbie Bondi will do whatever Trump wants. What a weasel. Adam Schiff is there coming for you. Adam, you can run but you can't hide. 00. Schiff needs to be put in jail for his role in the phony January 6th committee. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.